It's time to populate our family folder with the family resources that are in our elementary resource sharing group. The first thing that we'll do is we'll go to groups and then click on elementary resource sharing. Okay. All of our materials are found in resources, so we'll click onto resources. And there is a family resource sharing folder. Do not copy this whole folder into your course because there's a lot of things that you won't need that are grade level specific. Once you click on there, you can see which pages are for your specific grade level. At the primary buildings, it's always going to be primary school and classroom culture. That goes in regardless of your grade level or if you're a specialist, it goes into everybody's folder. Schoology and Skyward also goes into everybody's folder. And Helping at Home also goes into everybody's folder. The next thing you need to do is click your either grade level, or if you're a MAC team, or if you're a specialist. So you will click the information and curriculum page. So you should have a total of 4 things that are going to go into your folder. After you have your 4 pages selected, you're going to click Edit and then Add to Course. A pop-up will come up of the different courses that you are either a member of or that you have created. You'll have to find your homeroom course. Here's mine. Okay. It says that I'm going to import all of these things into my course. And there you see they have been imported.